Hello Spider Peeps. Right, another Zigbee device. Not particularly the video I was going to put out this week. As you can see, I've been a little bit organised, and this runs on AAA batteries, and so I have included these. That's a useful piece of card. Some of the temperature sensors I've had before don't have a temperature display on it, so when I keep on saying it's cold in the cave or hot in the cave, I have to open the app to look at what the temperature is. So the app's really good for monitoring temperature over time, but just at a glance sometimes it's better to have a screen. So I'd ordered one of these already, but then this came in the interim, but this has got an external probe. Why? I've got a laser cutter and it uses an external bath of water as a coolant, and I have one of these probes in that so that I can check if I'm overheating the laser tube. So if I've used it for a long time, the water starts to heat up. So I've got to monitor that, and that's what I use one of these probes for. I don't get why you need one of these on a day-to-day. Maybe if you're working in industry, but I don't understand the probe. What might you need where you keep water at a constant temperature? A sous vide, I suppose. Maybe it's useful for that. Okay, so we've got in and out 55%, so they're showing similar. So which is, shall we assume this is the out one? Let's hold that and warm it up a little bit. I should be in my 30s, I wish. I should be in my 30s, shouldn't I? 35 or so. It's not changing. Oh, there you go, 30, all right. So, yeah, if SpiderMaf needs to monitor the temperature of his hand, and that's not going up very quickly, it should be 35, shouldn't it, at least? It's got humidity as well, that's useful. So yeah, I think one of these would be fine without this bit. Okay, so it's AA batteries. It does feel quite heavy. It felt quite heavy without the batteries. I like the fact that it's got two screw holes on here so that you could put those screws on the wall and do that. What else has it got? It's got a magnetic sticker. I suppose if we want to attach that to something metal, we use that. Otherwise, we use this standard sticker. That's like the sticker off the door sensors with the little other patch inside. Okay, so this was a ZYZ-T03 Pro. That's about all we get. Temperature and humidity sensor with external probe. So yeah, I would prefer just a temperature and humidity sensor with a screen. I've got one of them on order, so we'll do a video about that when that arrives. Let's just have a look at Home Assistant here. Set this device up. Is there any buttons? There's a button there. Let's hold that down for a little bit. Any lights? No. Oh, there you go, starting interview. So this is TS601, that sounds pretty familiar. TS601, what was it on this? T03 Pro. Well, this device is ready to use, so let's call it temp with screen, and we are in the cave. This wasn't the video I was intending to release today, but this came on its own. I thought, well, let's talk about this a little bit. I've got some more complex edits on my other videos, so that's why I'm doing this. That's done, hasn't it? Yeah, this device is ready. So let's go back into the cave. It's not there. We've got tape. That's the normal cave temperature and humidity. It's not showing. Zigbee devices. Let's go to settings, Zigbee, 31 devices. What did we call it? Temp with screen, TS601. Why is it not showing up on the dashboard? It's not showing anything, is it? No events. If I power it down. Let's see whether we get a ping for it starting up again. I presume that there is that it's linked. It's not doing anything. Push that once. Alright, so it looks like it's, I mean, maybe that's why it picked up the name weird. It's not doing anything. There's not a button elsewhere, is there? This feels really nice. It feels well made, but if I can't use it for temperature logging, it's pretty useless. A waste of AAA batteries. Let's disconnect it from Zigbee. So reconfigure, remove. Let's have a look at Zigbee2MQTT. Let's go to here, isn't it? So permit join, and hold that down. It is really good having these two integrations now, so I can look at one and look at the other and just see whether they're any different. Unless it's this. What's this? Don't know. Am I being stupid? No, it is Zigbee because it connected to the other Zigbee, didn't it? Yeah. I don't think there's any software for this yet. Maybe we need a quirk. Yes, I think I've been ripped off with this a little bit. The list price of this now on Ali is £11.69. That's too much for something that there's not even software there for yet. I actually bought it for £4 with coins, so yeah, there was a good deal on that. But even for £4, lovely screen, lovely looking device. But I think if I was wanting a device like this to have on permanent display somewhere, I wouldn't bother with the probe. So I would not buy this yet. Maybe wait a while until well, for want of a better word, the device drivers turn up for it. Yeah, I'll put a link in the description anyway normally, and you can have a look at that. So hope you enjoyed this video. Sorry it was a bit of a letdown and a non-event in the end, probably like all my videos, but anyway, I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you keep on watching. Thank you for that. Thank you for all the new subscribers as well. I'll move away from Zigbee in a couple of weeks, do some repair videos I think, but yeah, at the moment I'm quite enjoying messing with all this Zigbee kit. This is the Tuya Zigbee humidity sensor with external probe. What Home Assistant doesn't know what it is yet. See you in the next one, Spider Peeps. Bye. The one thing that will be worth it though. Oh, lovely. Yeah, nice screen. Pity. I hope this gets pulled into the ZX. I hope this gets. Yeah, lovely screen. It's a pity really, but yeah, I don't like this. I don't like this. So yeah, I must remember not to buy any more with external probes, because what are they for? Who knows? Let me know in the comments if you do. Fish. Maybe fish. Maybe it's useful to have on your aquarium. There's an application. Yeah, fish. Fish. More fish.